Manchester United are in the mix to snap up Borussia Mönchengladbach striker Marcus Thuram. According to reports in the German media, the Frenchman is out of contract at the end of the season, and to prevent him from leaving on a free transfer, Gladbach are expected to listen to offers for the player during the January transfer window. It is believed that to be the region of €10 million, around 8.7 million sterling, could be enough to sign Thuram, which would be an excellent deal considering he has already scored 13 goals in all competitions this campaign. Red Devil boss Erik ten Hag is targeting a replacement for Cristiano Ronaldo, but with a limited transfer budget, there are not a lot of options on the market. Thuram is up there with the best available, although it is not surprising that other Premier League teams are also taking a keen interest in him. Newcastle are expected to be the Manchester club's main rivals, although the likes of Arsenal and Tottenham have been mentioned as potential suitors as well.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.